I'm here at the building One Town Center, built by West Group, an award-winning developer. Here at 8538 River District, I have a unit on the 17th floor, 1705, southeast corner view, amazing floor plan, corner unit, 9-foot ceilings, 935 square feet. Let's get out of the rain. Let me give you a tour. This southeast corner unit has amazing sunrises to the east, truly breathtaking when you wake up to them. And of course, because it's a south corner unit, you have so much natural light, it's so airy and so bright. You also have higher ceilings, it's 9-foot ceilings. Plus, this unit being on the 17th floor, you truly have expansive views of the Fraser River. And because if it's normally a beautiful sunny day, you truly get to appreciate what Vancouver is all about. This layout is really one of a kind because you have the living room, dining room, you also have bedrooms on either side. This unit includes 1 parking and 1 storage locker. And it's over 935 square feet, such an efficiently laid out floor plan for you as a buyer. Plus, you have 142 square feet balcony outside. There's an oversized 142 square feet balcony, which is perfect for entertaining. Also, an in-suite storage, great for a pantry. And you have 4 to 5 seat bar stool seating here, which is great for entertaining. And this is truly the highlight. The kitchen is the heart of the home. You have quartz countertops, plus high-end Jenn-Air appliances, which is full size, which is very rare nowadays. Plus, I truly love this backsplash. It really accentuates the kitchen. And of course, I love the window. If you're cooking and cooking something fragrant, you can have this open up and have some cross breeze cooking while you're enjoying your amazing view. This flawless floor plan with no wasted space has 930 square feet of living space. And here is your master bedroom, your Zen space. Here is a king-size bed that is really made for a king or queen. And if you are an early morning riser, you are facing east, which have breathtaking morning views of the sunrise. And as you go behind me here, you have your own walk-in closet. And if you're anybody like me, you truly appreciate storage as well as space for all your clothes and your needs. And here is your own spa oasis. You have a standing shower, plus a bathtub to soak in, and this beautiful quartz matching countertop. Everything that you need to relax and enjoy. And here is your 142 square feet covered balcony that you can use all year round. You've got a barbecue, you've got great space for entertaining. Imagine enjoying a beverage of your choice here while looking out into the beautiful horizon and the Fraser River. Everything you need is at your doorstep. Save on foods, everything wine, Starbucks, sushi restaurants, and more. You don't even need a car. If you're a dog lover or you enjoy hikes, this is the perfect home for you. Feel free to contact me. My name is Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set up a private viewing with you.